guys, and welcome back to Subway Surfers. And guess what? We're in Washington, D.C. That's right! I just got Lauren with her pilot outfit. I already collected 10 weekly hunts yesterday. That's good. So, let's get the Eagle board ready. Oh, yeah. This looks good as hell. You're telling me about it. Yes, I'm taking the lead. Yes, yes. So, next month I'm going to a holiday party with my bestie Maya, who is from my school. We're gonna have lots of fun there, like literally. Also, congrats to Mayor Frank Jackson, who is still our mayor at our city. I'm so happy for him. So what do you think of Washington, D.C.? Is it better than Hawaii or Arabia or Vegas or maybe Singapore? I don't know. Whatever you pick. So, the current American girls that we have so far are Jenny and Lauren, but I was hoping we could have a Caucasian American Subway Surfer, maybe a girl named Mary Ellen from Daytona Beach. That's what I'm gonna think of. Daily challenge complete. 1,500 coins. Thanks. I love this game. So tell me, what is your favorite edition in Subway Surfers? I like Tokyo the most, but I also like Hawaii, Vegas, Singapore. Okay, so we're gonna end the video right here. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.